I derive the inspiration that I have for beauty out of one particular word, and that's called proportion. I think proportion, whether you look at a magnificent Greek, Doric, or Ionic column, or you're looking at a classic face such as Audrey Hepburn, you realize that the reason that these objects or these individuals are beautiful is because they possess a particular sense of proportion and harmony that acts in concert at all times. So facial filler injection and Botox injection follows those very same paradigms, that you are trying to invigorate the proportion that somebody has to bring about that beauty. I always tell my patients that there aren't too many things in plastic surgery that have the power of neurotoxins such as Botox. Botox is really magical, and it has the power to go after the elements of the face that are difficult to deal with surgical procedures. It goes after some of the frown line wrinkles, it goes after the forehead, you can manipulate the position of the brow, you can go after the crow's feet, you can even go after some of the small fine wrinkles around the mouth. So Botox is pretty magical. It's really, really important not to over-inject somebody with any of these non-invasive parameters, because that's when you start losing the soul of the patient, and that's when you're starting to really bring something artificial to a patient's face, where an understated elegance is much more beautiful than an overstated fillers in someone's face. As a board-certified plastic surgeon, I clearly understand the importance of safety. These are non-invasive procedures, but it does not mean that they are risk-free. So we go to great lengths to ensure that these are injected in a proper fashion, and all the risks and complications that can arise from these can be handled. So I think the concept of beauty in an approach to the face during facial fillers is really, really important. And it's important to have that artistic eye about what needs to happen, what are the proportions, what are the harmonious elements of this face that needs to be celebrated, and what are the elements that need to be left alone.